Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe. I don't even know what to call it. It's very similar to my knockoff gnocchi recipe. My mom makes it for Gabe all the time and he loves it. I love it. It's very inexpensive, so I thought this is like the perfect recipe to share with you now with everything going up. You can have a delicious, amazing meal for literally nothing. So if you want to see how it comes together, keep watching.